This is Storm Track 12.
Quiet weather sticks around for just a little bit longer tonight, but then we are tracking some much more active weather for Christmas Eve into Christmas Day. But here's a look at the current satellite and radar. Not too much going on out there tonight, just sticking with those mostly cloudy skies as we head through the rest of tonight. And temperatures in the 30s across the area. Binghamton at 35 degrees, Greene at 38, and Ithaca is at 37 degrees. So weather stays generally quiet tonight, but then that heavy rain starts to move in as we head into tomorrow afternoon, eventually changing over to some light snowfall for Christmas morning, and then some much colder temperatures move in for the weekend. So jumping ahead to Thursday morning on Future Track, by around 9 or 10 o'clock, seeing just a few scattered showers, but that steadiest rainfall isn't going to make its way in until about mid-morning into the early afternoon. By around 11 or 12 o'clock, areas to the west of Interstate 81 seeing some pretty steady rainfall, but that's only going to become more widespread and heavy as we head into the evening. By 5 or 6 o'clock, everybody seeing that widespread to steady rainfall, and that continues as we head through the night as well. And then you can see exactly when that cold front is going to make its way through. Right around midnight, Thursday into Friday, you can see that mixing line making its way over to the east, that rain transitioning to some mixed precipitation and eventually some snowfall for Friday morning. Then just seeing a few light snow showers as we head through the rest of the day on Christmas. But here's a look at temperatures Thursday into Friday as well. We're going to see some big changes. When we see that steady rainfall coming down, our temperatures are still right around 50 degrees, but you could see that very strong cold front move through right around midnight or 1 o'clock on Friday morning. You see that sharp gradient in temperatures off to the east. Delaware and Otsego County still in the 50s, while in and around Binghamton already dropping down into the low 30s. So here's what we're thinking for the rest of that system. For the rainfall, that's actually going to be more concerning than the snowfall for this. We're expecting anywhere from about 1.5 to 3 inches of rainfall. Locally, we could see a little bit more than that, and that is going to pose the threat for some flash flooding. This is a look at the 6-hour flash flooding guidance. We only need about 2.5 to 3 inches of rain within that time period to see some flash flooding, and it looks like we're very likely going to see that. So heavy rain continues to be the highest threat for this storm system. Small stream flooding going to be a high threat as well. River flooding not going to be a main threat for this. We could see portions of the Susquehanna River make its way into minor flooding stages, but that small stream flooding is going to be the main focus for this system. Wind also going to see some gusty winds and the possibility for that flash freeze as temperatures drop pretty drastically heading into Christmas. But here's a look at Future Track throughout tonight, staying mostly cloudy and quiet ahead of that storm system for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Then heading into tomorrow morning, just a few light rain showers as we head into tomorrow morning. But that Christmas forecast, Christmas Eve, temperatures near 50 degrees, seeing that steady rainfall throughout much of the day. But then that rain changes over to some snow for Christmas Day, and temperatures are actually going to fall as we head through the rest of the day. That high temperature of 35 is going to occur very early as we head into the morning. But for tonight, we're looking at a low temperature of 32 degrees. Temperatures actually rise tonight. Pretty windy out there as well. Range of temperatures 30 to 35 degrees. But here's a look at your 7-day forecast. That cold front pushes through Thursday into Friday, bringing some rain and eventually changing over to some snow for Christmas. Then heading into the weekend, it is going to be cold, but we're looking at some much quieter weather, and we start out the week with the chance for some rain and snow showers.